All right, so we're going to try to keep on with the law of cosines. If we have this problem here, we're given these three things, okay, which is right here. We're given big C, little a, and little b. Remember, little a would be this right here because it's across from big A. Little b is right here. All right, we're asked to find angle A, but it looks like we're not given everything that we need. Technically, with everything that we've covered until now, we have. You just got to use what you know. And that's where some people may struggle. So let's think about it. We don't have this side over here. We don't have this angle. We could probably get this side and then do law of cosines again to try to find the angle. But I'm not a big fan of that. Okay, so let's kind of change where we're at. Okay, so let's think about it this way. How do we get there? Okay, that's the big thing. How do you get there? And it doesn't matter if you're a doctor, a baker, a candlestick maker, engineer, whatever. That's going to be the thing. Here's your issue. How are you going to get there? Okay, what are you going to do to get it done? Now, if we use the law of cosine, okay, we can find this right here. And you may be thinking, yeah, that's great, but what can we do with it from there? All right, after that, we can use the law of sine to find A, or angle A that we're asked for. All right, so it's actually going back to what we've covered before and using previous knowledge. This is, kind of stuff you should know. All right, so let's dive into it. We're looking here. All right, we're going to look for little c, and we're going to plug stuff in like we have before. All right, I think some of y'all kind of like this a little bit better. In past classes, all my students says, why didn't we do law of cosine first? It's so much easier, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, but where's the fun in that? I mean, come on. So we plug it in like we have been doing, and we get to right here. Now, since after all this calculation, remember you can hit pause to make sure that you're writing stuff down or following along. You can do that. All right, we're right here, and our final answer is this, which we know rounds to 25. Okay, so we have this side right here now, which is 25. Okay, yay, 25, good deal. So we can use this side, this angle, this side to find this angle. All right, so keeping on with what we know. All right, we're still trying to find angle A. All right, so we can set this up to right here. Okay, so this now we know is 25. All right, so we can do what we have been doing before. Okay, so we're still looking for this. That's why the sign is on top. And we do kind of this part first. All right, because we got to multiply to get it over here. And yeah, this sign right here, sine over 52, or sine of 52 over 25, that will end up giving you this right here, just this piece. And then I can multiply it by 29. Okay, kind of doing it step by step. All right, and then we go a little bit further. If when we multiply this, we end up with this. Okay, this is when you're going to have to say your second sign, second button, sign button, and then second answer, because it will copy and paste this for you. This gives you 66.07. So, and we know since we're around the nearest whole angle, it gives us this. So it's not as straightforward as the law of cosines been. We actually use the law of cosines to springboard us to use the law of sines. Okay, I personally like the law of sines better. I'm a proportion person. I like to cross multiply, divide. That's just me. Uh, but and that's going to be it. So again, if you need to, you can watch this video again multiple times. Hit pause, write it down, email me, give me some questions, give me some feedback. Uh, okay, because we're in the last little bit right here. Okay, we're almost done. All right, good deal, Pickle.